Now, boys, welcome to British Weather Simulator. I mean, Risk of Rain 2. We are going to have a wonderful experience full of jump scares and other things when we get absolutely bodied by firing squads of enemies. Because we are playing on the hardest difficulty. I am not including the expansions because that's going to overcomplicate things. We're going to have random items, double the number of enemies, but they have half health.
We've never played the game before, Joe. Why you do this to us?
You betrayed us.
It was for the content, but fine, I'll drop onto the regular difficulty.
It seems that neither of us have played this game before, and you're just going to throw us straight in. That's a bit unfair, that.
You'll be fine. Right. Yeah, no, you probably wouldn't be fine, to be fair.
No, we
wouldn't. Regular.
Joe.
Lock in the British Simulator.
Feels very ominous. Oh, this reminds me of Astroneer.
Hey?
Like the graphics of this remind me of Astroneer. Are we to be moving on? Because I'm still down here.
Yes.
Fucking schmoovin', mate. Praying to a shrine. Oh, I should not have prayed to a shrine.
Is praying to a shrine bad?
Oh lord, Ethan has summoned the mob wisps.
Fine, we schmoove it. We schmoove in and move.
I believe in you, Ethan.
I've only got fucking 2 left, mate.
Nice.
Did it. I've smashed it. Let's go. What is this?
What does this do?
What is that?
I don't know, I'm not by you. I am busy cosplaying an insect. Hello.
Oh, it's like it's a zip line.
Where?
Oh, I deployed a zip line.
Discovered.
Big pink line.
Oh.
Oh, it's gone there.
I'm gonna scale this mountain.
Don't know.
Enter quantum tunnel. I scaled the mountain, yo! Oh, that was it.
Bruh's just up there.
My lord.
Hello, boy.
I got there.
I don't know if here is helpful, but I'm up here in that.
You're up there now. Oh yeah, there's an item in the game. There's an item in the game called the guillotine, which allows you to kill elite enemies faster. Because we are French and we hate ability.
He's already got one, you see? What?
I have been mobbed by golems. Let's make it worse. I have been mobbed by greater wisps.
You've been mogged by greater wisps.
The greater wisps are mogging.
I'd love to see the Photoshop of that.
I don't know. I'm just trying to survive. I'm not really listening to you. So I will be quite frank.
Teleporter event started. Why does it have to be a magma worm? Of all the bosses you could give us.
No. Uh-oh.
I may have made a terrible mistake.
98,000 damage. My god, his max health was just gotten higher.
Did it?
Yeah.
Oh god, yes, uh-oh. This is bad. I am dead, guys.
I think I'm about there as well. Oh my fucking
no.
god. What? You're dead. You're dead.
Yes, I had too much stuff in attack.
You hit a massive ass magma worm attack. That's what went wrong.
Yeah. It also doesn't help when I don't have enough damage to use them. Oscar, what you need to do is you need to get in the teleporter zone and you need to kill the worms so you can get us back. The teleporter is on
I don't think I've gone
84%.
really.
There are items there. Pick them up. Pick up that one that's next
Where?
to the green one there. Those are good. Yes. Yeah. No, oh, you missed the healing. Shit. Pain.
Jesus
Well-
fucking Christ, man.
That was Risk of Rain 2.
Oh my god!